YouTubians. Today we're watching the side of a house go down because we're a bunch of rednecks. We jerry-rigged the car to it, and we're just gonna vroom back it up. Should be happening in a minute now. We're gonna knock down the house. It should be fun. And yes, we are being paid to do this. We're not doing this illegally. The owner of the place wants us to do it. It's currently cracking. Well, that was a big fail. I guess they're gonna have to hook it up to the piece of wood now to finish up the job. That's what she said. He's trying to pull it. The rope's on top of the house is on top of the string right now, so he's having a hell of a time. We'll zoom in just a bit. Actually, a lot. This is like a 3.6. It happens. I got a text. And that was mosquito. Gross. Zoom back out just a bit. This is like the longest job I've ever seen right now. And now they're kicking it. This is why we hire professionals, not rednecks. But you know, I guess, YOLO. I mean, they hear down the rest of the house, they're just having problems with this side. One's kicking it. The one on top's kicking it. Doing absolutely nothing. Ah, there's a bug on me, I think. Huh. Oh god, that smells. Some dust is clearly coming out. Maybe you guys can see on the camera. I can see on the camera. I can see it like standing here. Dust is coming out. It's pretty nasty. Because they got the rope out, they're going to have to tie it to that piece of wood over there. And I'll try it one more time. This time it should work. Most of the house is mostly just a support. Here it comes. Timber. Oh, it's stuck. We're not getting it. Come on. There goes another part. I finally got it. That goes to the last piece. Let's see if they can do it. Well, that's out. We won't say his name. Timber! What? Yeah, it's still a little late. Well, I have to lock down one more piece, I think. One more. Yeah, one guy's trying to take off a piece of wood. Which did nothing. This message is paid and provided for by Batman. We'll pop some tags. Only got 20. Finally, it's on the radio. This is freaking awesome. I wear your granddad's clothes. I look incredible. From that strip stop down the road. I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. This is freaking awesome. This is what we do back here in the West. south, north, east, Africa. Oh, they're staring at me. I don't know if they know I'm recording, but they're staring. I mean, I was told I can watch, but I was never taught I could record it, but I don't think they'll be mad. I'm gonna start moving. Ugh. Hey, Mercy. How's you and your boyfriend?